Welcome to our How to Do series. We thank you for your interest, attention and participation.
So, when you compress air, it builds heat. When you build heat, it creates moisture, condensation. You know that is affect all your valves, and so they have this to remove it from the high pressure air.
This video shows our CEMEX TCL experts inspecting the plant and equipment of D Mahadeo Sons. Please click the subscribe button below for more insightful videos and information related to your construction needs. This is a Turkish design, wet mix concrete plant, which is working and batching concrete daily. There is a winch motor that transports the weight aggregates into the centralized concrete mixer. The maintenance on the plant is fair, and so extensive structural work is required to satisfy the requirements for safety and quality. Following the inspection, several recommendations were made for adjustments, maintenance and/or repairs needed for various parts and equipment in use at the facility.
Got missing here, but then rotation part. We also have here a little walkover. We need some sort of safety railing to safety barrier around here.
Check out the links below and see parts 2 and 3 of this series for more of our process recommendations at this site.
Remove the moisture from the air, because the air is not friendly to the pneumatic parts on the plant. Right? It causes valves to be sticking and things, and when valves sticking, it causes a lot of problems.
Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and continue to buy and recommend CEMEX TCL products and services for best results in all your construction projects.